Good day everyone, it's me Louie Corpuz, Baguio Paparazzi. Today we're gonna walk going to the SWD in Teachers Camp. Let's go. It's Friday, let's go to the SWD. We're gonna be walking from Camp Allen to the camp. So we are gonna go down the shortcut again. Down there will be Baguio City Market. So join me. As we go walk. Going to Teachers Camp. Welcome to Baguio Paparazzi. Welcome to our beautiful Baguio City, Philippines. We are now here in Baguio City Market. They are setting up a stage. So we are now here in Post Office Baguio. That's SM Baguio. Let's go walk. Going there, Teachers Camp. So we are already here. We're on our way going to Teachers Camp. Okay, we are already here. Near. Okay, that's BIR if you remember. I walk a lot. If I'm alone, I don't use my car. I just walk. I hate looking for parking and it's traffic. Walking, I can enjoy it very much. So this is Court of Appeals. This is Court of Appeals. And that's Department of Budget and Management. This is a new hotel. We are almost near Teachers Camp. That's Pink Sisters. This is City Hub Hotel. It's very nice. So we are just gonna walk going down, and it's the SWD. That is what the former haunted White House they call. It's now Joseph's, famous restaurant here. What's this? Roxtenia. Rocks, wow. So we are now here, the SWD. Here, DSWD. So there's like a little park. Waiting shed.